Hi Vijay, it's absolutely an honor and pleasure to have you here. For those who know, Vijay is like a friend, friend first and then mentor for me and for everything. He was the first person who believed in me and ClearTax. So I think like it is just a delight to have you on stage virtually, but great to see him.
Great to see you, Archit, growing and flourishing and ClearText becoming an incredible organization. And it's always a pleasure and a fun to know you. You're more Archita in our world of Noida than Archit only. So good to see and good to be here. Thank you so much for having me. How are we doing?
Yeah, so Vijay, this is a fantastic time. I'll just take 1 minute to introduce the context. Electronic invoicing is coming to India. We are the 43rd country to implement it. I remember Vijay telling me 2 years ago, Archit, you have to get into invoicing and get into the flow of transaction at the start of the journey. We've finally gotten there. We have apps and everything coming out, and so coinciding with the India's electronic invoicing revolution. So it's just fun to see what you predicted we are actually doing now.
Cool.
So Vijay, I think I have a few questions lined up for you, and I did a lot of polls within the company and audience polls, and they have the most amount of questions for you, Vijay. This is the panel which had I had WhatsApps and questions. Ki na Vijay ka session ka time kab hai? When is these are my questions. Please ask him this. So I think Vijay, I'll start.
Before I start answering people, I know everybody who's looking at me and looking at Archit. Archit is thinner, smarter, but I'm not that fat either. I don't know why this software, whatever it is, I am horizontally challenged, but not so much as much this screen is showing. Or maybe I'm seeing this for the first time on a one-on-one screen. Archit is nice and kind to put me literally one-on-one. Otherwise, I am in a mosaic, so my attention span is very less. So, but yes, Archit smart. For everyone who does not know, Archit is now a married guy also.
Yeah, happily married 3 years now. So happily married and taken. So so Vijay, I want to now talk about I think I've seen now how Paytm for the last few years deeply focused on Paytm for business and digitizing Indian businesses, right? So I think for me I just want to start off what was an incredible moment for me this year was listening to that lady vendor talking to our Prime Minister, our Indian Prime Minister, and telling him about the Paytm Soundbox. And that was a moment of Indian digitization, and that was incredible. So in this journey of digitizing businesses, what has surprised you, Vijay? That was the first question for me.
The ability, intent, and commitment or interest of small businesses, and when I say small businesses, these are not SMEs, these are MSMEs and below, meaning like a street hawker to a small-time shop, which is never going to be in the radar of SME because the SME definition in this country is very large. These people who are sort of excluded from technology world, and they use consumer technology for their business. When I say consumer technology, they don't have a corporate messenger, they don't have a corporate attendance, they don't have anything corporate, no messaging, no interaction, but their interest to invest in a software and a hardware for their business is an exemplary commitment to the business and its growth. And I share this passion, Archit, what the lady was saying, that people are paying monthly recurring subscription for that software and hardware combination. I never believed that in this country, when you can accept payment for free using a paper sticker or a QR sticker that Paytm brought in this country, somebody will like to pay at that hierarchy and a corporate tier or a business tier. Meaning these people do not earn even 1 lakh rupees in a month necessary as their margin. Right. So, I mean, they're just tens of thousands only in tens of thousands in a scenario, but they are ready to commit to a monthly subscription of a software plus hardware combination is what surprises me, and which is what gives me hope and understanding that we will have an order of magnitude big market for small businesses to digitize this country.
Mm-hmm.